pilots you'll ever meet.
Welcome aboard.
And the friendliest, too.
Looks like we're ready for another on-time departure.
All Star Tours pilots are programmed to deliver you on time, every time. So if your flights call for intergalactic travel, call Star Tours.
Let's keep it moving, let's keep it close. Keep it tight, not too tight.
Star Tours, 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to find these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Stop right there.
Don't shoot!
I know you have a spy on board.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake.
They're a spy and a traitor to the First Order.
I can see that before.
Don't be a fool. You are no match for the power of the dark side.
We just passed the end of the moon. Oh, look out! Archer, fix those engines immediately. No, I can't swim. And neither can you. Commander Dammer.
3PO? R2, what are you doing there?
Well, sir, it won't be
Rhetorical question. Listen up. There is someone aboard your ship vital to our mission.
the spy. Is this mission sanctioned?
Let's say it is. Anyway, rendezvous at the coordinates I'm transmitting to R2. Good luck, and you know the rest.
The rest sounds rather careless to me. This is suicide! We'll be smashed to pieces! In the event we don't make it, I want you to know that you have been the most wonderful passengers. Pull up, Arthur! Pull up!
Pilots, this is it.
You're right, Arthur. This mission cannot fail. Activate the laser cannons.
Captain Red 9, you have 2 ties on your tail.
Arthur, the Arcs have successfully taken out 2 TIE fighters at once is approximately. Better than I thought. Well done.
Alright, squad. Start the attack. Remember, aim for the cannon.
What are you waiting for? Fire!
We did it! Thanks for your help, Star Tours.
It has been an honor.
captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Be sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Goodbye.